When starting a website, choosing the right web hosting provider is one of the most important decisions. GoDaddy is a well-known name in the industry, and they recommend some of the best hosting providers. In this post, we'll look at GoDaddy's top 10 web hosting recommendations, beginning with Hostinger and Bluehost. 1. Hostinger, best overall hosting provider, fast lightspeed servers, free domain, SSL, and email, easy-to-use dashboard and strong uptime, starts at $2.99 per month. 2. Bluehost, best for WordPress beginners, recommended by WordPress.org, website builder included, free SSL and domain, great for new website creators, starts at $2.95 per month. 3. SiteGround, best for support and security. Built on Google Cloud, daily backups and strong security, fast and reliable servers, starts at $3.99 per month. 4. DreamHost, best for privacy and simplicity, unlimited traffic and SSD storage, free domain privacy and email, 97-day money-back guarantee, starts at $2.59 per month. 5. A2 Hosting, best for speed and developers, turbo servers for faster load times, free migration and developer tools, great for advanced users, starts at $2.99 per month. 6. HostGator, best budget hosting with unlimited features, unlimited storage and bandwidth, website builder included, 99.9% uptime guarantee, starts at $3.75 per month. 7. GreenGeeks, best eco-friendly hosting, powered by renewable energy, free SSL, backups, and CDN, scalable and environmentally friendly, starts at $2.95 per month. 8. WP Engine, best managed WordPress hosting, fully managed service with security features, caching, backups, and staging included, great for high-traffic WordPress websites, starts at $20 per month. 9. InMotion Hosting, best for business and e-commerce, free domain, SSL, and fast SSD storage, designed for growing businesses, business email and support included, starts at $2.99 per month. 10. Cloudways, best for scalable cloud hosting, choose between DigitalOcean, AWS, or Google Cloud, ready to go. Click in the link below this video.